Good morning, America. Welcome back to another video on Vermonters. Today, we're looking for a calf because I guess Marcel came in and he's like, I cannot find Eddie Jr., which we let out yesterday because Flower had her calf. We needed Eddie Jr. because Eddie, the bull, is going to the butcher. We want to keep Eddie in the family. So Eddie Jr. is now missing. So we gotta go find Eddie Jr. But other than that, it's a great morning. Beautiful day. We are going to dig a water line today and run. Actually, that's illegal. I can't say that. Dirt bike's awesome. I drive it everywhere. Did you find him? He's in the corner. Shade. Oh, like in the same pastures though? No, like in just another one. Oh. The hoop house is going up, as you guys can see. It's right there. Are you good? I told you, stop. Are you good though? That must have hurt. Your hands okay? This might be freak stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, as you can see, we're really good at wheelies and donuts. Oh, I love this. There you go.
Now it's not gonna start for a few minutes.
Yeah, well, this thing never breaks. We unloaded it off a trailer, backed onto this huge dirt mound, started sliding off the side. It was probably like, I don't know, 12 feet up.
Yeah.
And it just rolled right off the side of the hill, went flip, 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 flip. Okay guys, these are chicken tractors. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you guys can kind of see the rectangles where they were. And there's one there, 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 and there. And they went all the way up to the hay wagons up there, so really far up. We came down here, turned around with them, which is pretty hard. And then we're going back up for another 2 weeks. Sun's so bright. Yeah, they're all done. It takes me probably, I don't know, maybe 25 minutes to a half hour just to do the meat birds every morning. I go through 15 gallons of water and a bucket of food. Lately my schedule has been like, wake up at like, I don't know, 7:30, get outside like 8:30, and then work until, I swear to God, I'm not kidding, it's usually like 8 to 9. It's usually 9. We have a class every Wednesday, so I'll do the chickens at 10 then. Sometimes I actually work 14-hour days. That's crazy. That's a long time. It's almost 2 8 hours. Wow. But the main thing is that we're happy. We're extremely stressed out. And life is great. But I don't know. So much is going on, guys. We have the house across the street. We have the LT40 wood miser. We have the hoop house. We have second cut coming up. The cows, chickens, meat chickens. What was it? 2 Saturdays ago, I think. Yeah, we had our first farmer's market, and it was our 1-year anniversary on that day too, so it was really cool. So we've been here for, a year. Wow, done a lot. I'm gonna make a video of what we've done in a year. I'm also gonna make a video on these chicken tractors, because I know you guys want to see a video on that. Are you done? Okay, he's done. Eddie the bull jumped on a chicken and just crushed it. It was so weird. I can't imagine how that felt, but yeah, the bull really does protect the herd. I mean, not the cows were chasing it, but the bull's the one that put it down, which kind of stinks because now our chicken's short. And then the other day, our neighbors were driving on the street and they're like, "Fox!" And we're like, "What?" So we look out in the field and we don't see anything. So we're like, "What are you talking about?" And they said, they meant to say hawk, but they said fox. And I guess a hawk got one of our black chickens. Okay, I gotta grease the excavator. I gotta get ready to dig everything. 1017. Okay, so we put plastic up there so the mill doesn't get rained on. We could have put wood, but we want the light to come through on the mill. Because most of the day, right now it's up there, but in the winter the sun's really low out there. So it'll shine right onto the mill deck, which is perfect. I put a little cabinet in just to have some ATFs and tools. It's a little lumber yard out here. We haven't really milled a whole lot. We're waiting to make a list for our house and building and stuff. Cause we just don't want to make a mess just milling all these different dimensions. We don't really have room for it now. Then we got a bunch of 1x8s. I think there's 50. Oh my god, squirrel is so annoying. Nice. Hey Marcello. Hey Marcello. Hey Marcello. Hey Marcello. So I just used the measuring app on the phone, and I went inside, and the point led to right out, right there, where that hole is I made. So that's where we gotta dig for the water line. We gotta start right there, dig across the driveway, all the way up to the hoop house. Yeah, I think that's like the house foundation. It's really nice to be down here though. I think it's right around here. Okay, we found the hole. So we drilled a little pinhole pretty much where I thought it was in the center of that circle. And we got it, so. Dano, are you ready to spray?
Ready, baby.
Okay, let's see if this works.
What?
You're not even hitting. Okay, how thick is it? 16 inches. 16 inches of concrete. What the heck? That's pretty thick. We're through. Whoa, nice red eye.
Nice core sample, bro.
I know. Look at that. That's crazy.
That's really cool. We should do something with it.
Wow.
There you go, wait.
So we got 2 holes. Wow, look at that. I have like another inch to go. We can just hammer that out. Look at the wind.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Natural AC.
That's so quick.
We just cored through 16 inches of concrete. Yeah.
So cold.
Wait, is the cold air coming out?
Yeah.
Wow, the warm air's coming in. That's so weird. Yeah. Looks like someone has to clean our basement up.
Not bad. Could have been a lot worse.
I know.
There you go. That's the 2 holes. And that is how you drill through concrete with a $10,000 hammer drill.
We have a trench across our driveway all the way out to the hoop house. I feel like those Chilean miners. Okay, everything's going great. We are trapped 2,000 feet underground. So right here's where we go under the 5-strand fence line. It's like literally a freaking cave, like a tunnel. It's so cool. I've always liked tunneling my whole life. We used to just go outside and dig a hole for fun, like a really big hole. Don't worry, this is from like the 1970s, so they're cut off. But they're still reading 0 point something, which is kind of freaky. Okay guys, that's a wrap for today. So we did that, ran some conduit to right over there where the raspberries are, and then we gotta run more to the hoop house, but we're exhausted. See you guys tomorrow. It's kind of bright. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock. I am done with the chickens. I'm gonna check on the cows and the egg layers, and I'll see you guys in the morning.